Hello students, welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today we are going to do the exercise of the chapter number 6, that is pronouns. So students, in our previous video we studied about pronouns. Let's have a quick overview on this topic. So students, the words which are used at the place of noun are called pronouns. The example of pronoun are he, she, I, you, it, we, they, etc. So students, the word you, me, him, her, us, his, them can also be used in the place of nouns. They are also pronouns. Now let's come to the practice work. Replace the nouns with suitable pronouns. So students, look at your first sentence. Radhika can bake cakes. So students, here you have to replace the noun, that is Radhika, with a pronoun she, because Radhika is a girl and for a girl we use she. So here our sentence is she can bake cakes. Now let's come to the second sentence. Rajesh works in a bank. So students, you know very well Rajesh is a boy. So here we can use he for Rajesh. So our sentence is he works in a bank. Now the third one. Saila and Pooja are going to Simla next week. So here Saila and Pooja, it means there are two persons or more than one person. So students, for more than one person we use they. So here our sentence is they are going to Simla next week. Now let's come to the fourth one. Ravi, Sam and I saw a ladybird while playing in the garden. So students, here two person including I is given. So we use we for more than one person including I. So here our sentence is we saw a ladybird while playing in the garden. Now let's come to the fifth sentence. Rebecca has not completed her homework. So students, here you know Rebecca is a girl, so we use here she. She has not completed her homework. Now the sixth one. Vinay is a good banjo player. So students, here Vinay is a boy. So we use he for a boy. So here our sentence is he is a good banjo player. Now the seventh one. My aunt and her family are visiting us this winter. So students, here my aunt and her family are another person. So here we use they. They are visiting us this winter. Now let's come to the eighth sentence. My family and I will celebrate Diwali together. So I including with another person, we use we. So here we can write we will celebrate Diwali together. Now let's come to the ninth sentence. The rabbit is eating carrots. So here our noun is the rabbit. So rabbit is an animal. So we have to use here it. It is eating carrots. Now the last one is Mehak and Sonali are my classmates. Here more than one person are given. So we have to write they are my classmates. Now let's read these sentences. Are you coming to Rishi's birthday party? So here you is a pronoun. Now let's come to the next sentence. My mother gifted me a golden watch on my birthday. So students, in this sentence, me is a pronoun. Now let's come to the next sentence. Rishabh is a very popular singer. Have you heard him? So in this sentence, him is a pronoun. The next sentence is Ruchi did not come to school yesterday. I gave her my notes. So students, in this sentence, her is a pronoun. Now let's come to the next sentence. My brother and I went to our uncle's place. He gave us chocolates to eat. So students, here pronoun is us. Now let's come to the last sentence. Rihan and Roshan were tired. I gave them some water. So here them is a pronoun. So students, words like you, me, him, her, us and them can also be used in place of nouns. They are also pronouns. Now students, let's come to the next exercise. Choose the correct word. So students, here two options are given in each sentence. You have to choose the correct word and write in the given blank. So first one is how are blank this morning. So students, in this sentence two options are given, which is him and you. So students, here in blank place you have to write you. How are you this morning? Now let's come to the second sentence. Please help blank complete my homework. So here you have to write me in the blank space. Please help me complete my homework. Now let's come to the third one. Tuhina and I are going to Resam's birthday party. She invited blank to her house. So students, here you have to write us. She invited us to her house. Now look at the fourth one. The new boy in our class lives near your colony. Do you know? So students, for a boy we use him. So here you have to write him. Do you know him? Now let's come to the fifth one. Can you lend blank your book for today? So students, here you have to fill me in the given blank. Can you lend me your book for today? Now the sixth one. Radha is my good friend. I will bake a cake for her or she. Here you have to write her. Radha is my good friend and I will bake a cake for her. Now let's come to the seventh one. Soham and Sunil are good singers. I love listening to them. So here you have to write them in the given blank. Now eighth one. Blank dance well. Who did you learn blank from? So students, here you have to fill you in the blank space. You dance well. Who did you learn it from? Now next, I bought 3 comic books. I was reading them to my sister. I read them to her every night. Here we use her because sister is a girl. Now let's come to the last sentence. Tina and I are very excited today. We are going to the mall. Will you come with us? So students, now our exercise is completed. I hope you understand the pronoun by this video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and practice this at your home. And don't forget to do the homework that is given during the live class. Okay? Thank you students. Bye and take care.